Are disconnected systems and data silos slowing your business down? Legacy ERPs cost more, stay rigid, lack good mobile access, and take heavy effort to update. Introducing Techsoft ERP, one unified platform with People HR and FinCore built in. Control approvals and governance in one place, and automate purchasing with ProcX. Track inventory live with Inventory Flow, and manage orders end-to-end with Sales Hub. Protect your assets with Asset Care, and keep production flowing with Manufacture Pro. Improve quality with Quality Guard, and run warehouse operations faster with Werix. Manage projects clearly with Project 360, and get real dashboards with InsightX. Build customer relationships in CRM Hub, and secure documents with DMS. Start small, scale fast. Techsoft ERP, built for sustainable growth.